You are going to love the 2008 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, fog lights. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, keyless entry, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.